Now maybe you want your picture to have this gold, to be goldish, like this picture here, more picturesque. Now this time you're going to use Movavi Picture. Movavi Picture is an update of Movavi Photo Editor. It has a more advanced features than Movavi Photo Editor. So if I look at the original picture here, as you can see here, this is the original picture and this is what the outcome after a lot of edits. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you step by step of how you can come up with something like this, something artistic, something goldish that you can use in a magazine, you can use in a banner, poster, wherever. So I'll come here again to upload the picture, this one here. I'll just come here, discard this one again, then there we are. Then of course in Movavi Picture, the settings are on this side. So it's very simple. I'm just going to come to effects. You're going to use effects. The effects I like using is color fantasy. So I'll just come to color fantasy here. I'll just key topaz. Then it will give me this gold effect. So I can decide to whether increase the effect or just leave it at that. Then I just say tick. The next thing I'm going to come here under where is it? I'm going to come under adjust manually. Then I'm going to adjust the color here under the temperature. So I'm going to play around with the white balance here, as you can see here, to give me that goldish effect, temperature. And also I'm going to do that like that, like that. Yeah, then I just leave it at that. I'll go back, effects again. Here you can go to creative, you can decide to pick this one here, apply. Remember, you're trying to make it more artistic, and also come back again here. This time I reduce this one a little bit, then I just tick. So it will give you that glow and goldish effect. If I compare with the picture, I mean the original picture, this is how it will look. Sometimes you want to use this in a magazine, in a poster, in an advert, or something that is imaginary, creative. So that's how to go about it in Movavi Picture. See you in the next video.